Thanks for joining us for the next part of our webinar. Exploring new design ideas is an important way to redefine a design. And now with the new branch and merge capability of SOLIDWORKS PDM, this task is a breeze. Regardless of its release date, parts, assemblies, or drawings can be branched, and their structure is recognized. The destination folder can be defined, as well as prefix or suffix for the file name. And individual files can be included or excluded from the branch. So we're going to do the branch for the cushion. The branched file is identical to its source. Here, two other branches have been created and refined. When you decide on the preferred design, it can be easily merged back. SOLIDWORKS PDM recognizes the source file and merges it as a new version, even if the source file name was renamed or moved. You can see that it's updated now after the merge. When the assembly is opened, we can see that the refined design is in place. Now with the new branch and merge tool, error-prone copy, change, and overwrite techniques are no longer needed. Tracking design changes is often done with a revision table. And now the revision table has a direct integration to SOLIDWORKS PDM. As new revision is added, notice that the revision number is indicated as an asterisk. That is because this change has not yet been approved, and the revision number is controlled by SOLIDWORKS PDM. Comments can be added to the revision table, but the approved view remains blank. When a drawing is checked in, all information is extracted from the drawing, including the information from the revision table. Okay. So after the approval process is complete, the workflow transition sets the revision number, and the approver and updates all fields on the drawing. The revision table, the revision callout, and the title block are all up to date. It's never been easier to explore new design ideas with branch and merge, and the new bi-directional communication between revision tables and PDM will make sure that everyone in the design team is up to date. Let's take a look at another topic in our next video.